So, marketing. I'm going to make this quite a quick one, and I guess in some respects punchy. If you're not tracking your numbers, if you're not looking at the data to see what's working and what's not working in your marketing, I guarantee you one thing, that your marketing is expense. It's not delivering the return on investment, let alone a lifetime value in terms of converted leads and the like. And both in digital and in traditional marketing, you can have clear metrics in place that you can measure what's happening out there, how well your marketing is working, and how well you can expect to get results from it, how predictable it becomes. So if you're not measuring, what measurements can you put in? So for instance, if you're doing leaflets or something of that nature, it's really easy to put a phone number on there that today can be tracked. It's easy to have a QR code that you can see where someone lands on a page or something of that nature. It can be really easy that you're able to target a particular postcode with a leaflet drop and then track how many people from that postcode get in touch. It may be that you just have a dedicated number. You can have many numbers coming in on one line nowadays. And then digitally, in terms of click-through rates, in terms of linger rates, in terms of scroll rates, in terms of every other rate you can imagine, SEO, ranking. Suddenly what you're able to do is to understand in detail what the data tells you. And the point of that one, it allows you to be really reactive to actually making sure that you can check what's not working. And there's a thing called A/B testing, so you can test two different ads that are both targeting the same product or service and see which one works best. And so suddenly you're able to get a real insight as to what your marketing is doing and what the numbers are. Now, I've talked about this on multiple occasions before, 5 key areas that will absolutely drive that in terms of the lead generation and conversion rate. So you can track what those leads are doing and how you're able to convert them, how well your marketing puts them into your sales process, which allows you to convert them. And then you can go on to do transactions, average sale, and look at your margins. And we'll talk about those in more detail on another time. But if you're not doing the data, if you're not collecting the numbers, if you're not seeing what's working, test and measuring, your marketing right now is an expense. Go change that. Go start to measure the numbers. Put a dashboard in place. Get really key on the data so that you can make your marketing a predictable cash flow generator. Have a truly fantastic day.